Hello, dear students. Most welcome to all of you in the class of English. Dear students, in today's video, we are going to study lesson number 5, Footprints Without Feet, written by H.G. Wells. Dear friends, in this chapter, we shall come to know about a person who becomes invisible. First of all, if we try to look at the introductory paragraph, we can see the poet is asking you a question saying that if a man become visible, this is the story in which a scientist discovers a potion that makes him invisible. How does he utilize that medicine? In this chapter, we shall come to know. Or we can say, how does he misuse the medicine? This we shall come to know. What kind of problems does he face while walking here and there? What happens? How can he make himself appear in front of other people? That we also can understand in the same chapter. Dear students, if we try to look at the first page of the same story, we can find out that it asks some questions. Like the first question, how did the invisible man first become visible? And question number 2, why was he wandering the streets? Dear student, first question, that means the writer is asking you, how did the invisible man first become visible? That means who was the person to see him? How did he come to see him? And why was he wandering here and there in the street? What was the reason behind this? If he became invisible, what kind of difficulties is he going to face? Dear students, it was a very bad time for the scientist who discovered the medicine who can make him invisible, because it was a bitterly cold, and we can say what it was midwinter, and he chose a wrong place to stay with. He was walking here and there in London without clothes. So what happens? Slowly he tries to manage himself with the food and longings like different clothes. He tries to sneak in different houses to find out clothing materials. And then he catches a train for the village named Iping, where he finds an inn, and just also he tries to manage himself in different way, telling a lies, making another person in problem. So dear students, let's try to start ourselves with the first paragraph of the chapter. The two boys started in surprise, stared. Dear students, here should be the two boys stared in surprise at the fresh muddy imprints of a pair of bare feet. What was a barefooted man doing on the steps of a house in the middle of London? And where was the man? That means two boys staring at the bare feet, and they were in surprise to find out that the man was looking nowhere, but only they could see bare foot. As they gazed, a remarkable sight met their eyes. A fresh footmark appeared from nowhere. That means as soon as slowly, when they were trying to look at that imprints of the footmarks, they were coming from nowhere. Further footprints followed, one after another, descending the steps and progressing down the street. That means that foot imprints were progressing toward the street. The boys followed, fascinated, until the muddy impressions became fainter and fainter, and at last disappeared altogether. Dear student, that means the imprints were slowly fainting till the time that could be seen, the boys followed them, but afterward it was unable to be seen. The explanation of the mystery was really simple enough. The bewildered boys had been following a scientist who had just discovered how to make the human body transparent. Dear students, actually, it is the story written by H.G. Wells, the name of the book, The Invisible Man. It is only the part of the same story. That means एक कहानी है जिसका नाम है द इनविजिबल मैन. उसी कहानी के जो H.G. वेल्स के हैं उसी का ये हिस्सा है, चैप्टर दैट वी आर स्टडिंग. So we are studying about a scientist who had just discovered about the medicine who can make a human body transparent. How can a medicine can make a human body transparent? This is very surprise. And this answer you will come to know कि क्या एक आदमी मेडिसिन ले करके ही ट्रांसपेरेंट हो सकती है उसकी बॉडी. इसका आंसर आपको फाइंड करना है. Griffin the scientist had carried out experiment after experiment to prove that the human body could become invisible. Finally, he swallowed certain rare drugs and his body became as transparent as a sheet of glass, though it also remained as solid as glass. So, students, it was very much matter of surprise. His body became like a sheet of glass. It was like a solid sheet of glass, like it can be touched. But the students, he was unable to be seen. Brilliant scientist though he was, Griffin was rather a lawless person. Lawless means that the person who doesn't follow any rule. His landlord disliked him and tried to eject him. Eject means to make him out. In revenge, Griffin set fire to the house. To get away without being seen, he had to remove his clothes. Thus, it was that he became a homeless wanderer, without clothes, without money, and quite invisible, until he happened to step in some mud and left footprints as he walked. That means earlier he was living in a landlord house where he tried to fit himself anyway, but when there was a dispute between him and the landlord, he had to leave that house and he became a loneliness wanderer person. And it was a midwinter and he was walking here and there without clothes. At the same time, he was noticed by the two boys in the street. Now, dear students, we would like to move to the next page. He escaped easily enough from the boys who followed his footprints in London, but his adventures were by no means over. दैट मीन्स कि वो पहले चीज़ तो फॉलो किया जाता है लंदन में लड़कों के द्वारा, लेकिन जो उसके एडवेंचर्स की स्टोरीज हैं यहाँ पर ख़त्म नहीं होती. ही हैड चोजन अ बैड टाइम ऑफ द ईयर टू वॉन्डर अबाउट लंडन विदाउट क्लॉथ्स. मतलब कि बहुत ही बुरा समय उसने चुन लिया था क्योंकि लंदन में बड़ी कड़ाके की ठंड पड़ रही थी और बिना कपड़े का एक आदमी घूम रहा है लंदन में जो खुद एक साइंटिस्ट है और उसने एक मेडिसिन स्वेलोड कर ली है जो आदमी को ट्रांसपेरेंट बना सकता है, ओनली केवल वो नेक्ड हो विदाउट क्लॉथ्स. It was midwinter, there was bitterly cold, and he could not do without clothes. Instead of walking about the streets, he decided to slip into a big London store for warmth. Definitely, students, we can say the person is walking like this without wearing clothes. He needs to have some clothes to protect himself from cold. मतलब कि अगर कोई आदमी घूम रहा है लंदन की उस गलियारे में जहाँ ठंडक पड़ रही है तो बिना कपड़े के उसके लिए रह पाना मुश्किल होगा. सो निश्चित रूप से उसे कपड़े की तलाश करनी ही पड़ेगी अपने आप को गर्म करने के लिए. Closing time arrived, and as soon as the doors were shut, Griffin was able to give himself a pleasure of clothing and feeding himself without regard to expense. दैट मीन्स बिना खर्चे के अब जैसे ही बंद करने का समय आया, ग्रिफिन के लिए एक चांस था अपने आप को एक प्लीजर देने का कपड़े और खाने के साथ बिना खर्चे के. ही ब्रोक ओपन बॉक्सेज एंड रैपर्स एंड फिटेड हिमसेल्फ आउट विथ वार्म क्लॉथ्स. जल्दी उसने बॉक्स तोड़ डाले, रैपर्स खोले, कपड़े पहने और काफ़ी गर्म गर्म कपड़े उसे मिले. Soon, with shoes, an overcoat, and a wide-brimmed hat, he became a fully dressed and visible person. That means कि बड़ा चौड़ा वाला हैट पहन करके और पूरा ड्रेस पहन करके ओवरकोट का वो विजुअल पर्सन बन गया. In the kitchen of the restaurant, he found cold meat and coffee. and he followed up the meal with sweets and wine taken from the grocery store. दैट मीन स्टूडेंट्स कि उसे मीट मिलता है, ठंडा मीट मिलता है, कॉफ़ी मिलती है और साथ में भोजन मिलता है, मिठाइयाँ मिलती हैं, यहाँ तक कि वो वाइन भी मिलता है ग्रॉसरी स्टोर से, जहाँ से निकाल आता है. फाइनली ही सेटल्ड डाउन टू स्लीप ऑन अ पाइल ऑफ क्विल्ट्स. अब क्या करता है लास्ट में, वो क्विल्ट्स में रजाइयों के ढेर पे अपने आप को स्लीप कर ले आता है. So dear students, in this video we would like to attend till this paragraph only. In next video we shall try to move ahead from the next paragraph. Hope you have understood some parts. So dear students, you will need to answer the questions first and second of read and find out, that is given on page number 26. See you, bye.